want to start it. I'm Jeff Decker, and this is my 2017 bike check. So starting with the grips, these are ODI long neck XL grips. I got them because then I could just cut them down, have them as long as I want. Bars are Verde Region bars. They're 9.25 rise. They came stock like 29 wide, but I cut them inch on each side, so they're a little bit shorter. For my stem, I actually forgot the name of the stem, but it came from my 2015 Fit. That's all I know. So it's a stock stem. Still runs, it's 2 years old, works dialed. I got a stolen headset, Fit top cap, but it's a stolen headset bearings. I also got a stolen Thermalite spacer in there. Forks are Rant Twin Peaks forks. Everyone says Rant is shit, but they run good. They work. Pegs. These front pegs here are old Odyssey pegs. They're not M pegs. They're pegs from however long ago. They're like 4 years old. Currently not running hub guards. I need to get new hub guards because my old hub guards don't fit on my new wheels, which I will get to in a second. The seat I'm sitting on is an Odyssey 30th anniversary seat. I picked it up while it was still available, and it's pretty dope. That's a pivotal seat. Fit, pivotal seat post. Move on to pedals. Pedals are Restart Safari PCs, BSD, Restart signatures. Favorite pedals, only pedals I will ever ride, probably. The reason is because they got 2 extra pins on the corners, so if you bust one off while you're in the streets or doing whatever, you got 2 extra ones. And they're super wide, super grippy. Cranks, these are Fit indent cranks. They're 170 millimeters. Kind of want to move up to 175, but these are good. These cranks are also 2 years old. They're still killing it. Sprocket, this is one of my favorite pieces on my bike, is Madeira Signet guard sprocket, 25 tooth, 19 millimeter. I kind of want to move it up to 28 tooth, but I'm sticking with this. I'm going to wait till this snaps and then go from there. Bottom bracket bearings I got in here are also Madeira. I need new ones, to be honest. Chain is a KMC 410 chain. The single hub guard I have on my bike here in the back is a Primo DSG guard sprocket, drive side. Probably could use a new one of those, but it's still going. These back pegs, I think these are old Haro pegs, to be honest with you. Even though Haro is kind of shit now, still going good though. They're still going. I like them. Nice and long, wide, good for feebles. Tires are Sunday Current tires. It's kind of like a downgrade from the Sunday Street Sweeper tires, but these are still these are the best tires I've had so far. I also need new ones of these. But yeah, they're really grippy. These are 2.4, super wide. Sidewalls are good, 110 psi. Or actually, no, they're rated for 100 psi. My bad. But they're super thick. Makes your bike look like a monster truck. Second to last, we got my wheels. I actually bought these in a wheel set. They are Revenge Industries. I got a free coaster in the back, which is super sick. I just made the switch to a free coaster. I'm still getting kind of used to it. But I love it. It's super fun. You can do a lot more tricks. Last but not least, my frame, this is a Stranger Crooks frame. I got it in 20.5 and it is scratched heavily within like the 2 or 3 months that I've had it already. It's a raw frame, so once the clear coat scratches off, it's wraps for the frame. You can see right here it's really rusting bad. Yeah, I'm not proud of that. Down here too, clear coat is all coming off. But otherwise this frame is a lot lighter than the frame I had before, and I really love it. It looks good. And after this frame, I'll probably never buy another raw frame, to be honest. But I love this frame. It is super dope. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my 2017 bike check. Go check out the other videos that we have on this channel.